Hey students, it's Ms. Bone here, and you are starting something exciting. You're going to start learning about different shapes, and you're going to kick it up a notch from second grade. And maybe you're not even going to call them shapes anymore. Maybe you're going to call them polygons, quadrilaterals, all these fancy words. So let's just start our unit with a little bit of review from second grade and get our minds wrapped around all the different shapes that we already know. Today, I'm going to read a book to you off of Get Epic. It's called Windows, Rings, and Grapes, a look at different shapes. And they start right off with this funny looking little Martian guy telling you the definition of a shape, the form or outline of an object. So let's read about all the different shapes, many of which you guys probably already know. A shape is a form. It's how something looks with a top and a middle. And knowing about them all inside and out, they're easy to name when you spot them. A circle is round, like the dot on this gown, like a hula hoop, pie, or some rings. The door on this dryer, a bicycle tire, the circle forms all of these things. There's not one straight line in a circle's design. It's just a continuous bend. It's looped and it's curved, and when closely observed, you'll find no beginning or end. If two dogs would fetch one and lengthen and stretch one, an oval would be its new shape, like this rug on the floor, and you could make more if you outlined an egg or this grape as an oval. Most racetracks are oval. If one day you'll go, you'll note stretches that aren't quite as round. These straightaway places are perfect for races with no curves to make you slow down. When three straight lines meet, the result is quite neat. A triangle shape will be formed. We all know triangles. This nice slice of pizza he's trying to heat's a triangle treat being warmed. Ooh. That sign that says yield where the road meets the field. That's a triangle as well. These earrings that dangle are each a triangle because both have three sides. You can tell. So that triangle with three sides, remember that? Triangles. So just as a tricycle has three round wheels and a triceratops has three sharp horns, triangles have both three sides and three corners. So try to remember these forms. The shade your old house had, this map or this mouse pad, each one of these shapes is a, that's right, square. The form is four-sided, and when it's divided, you'll find four more squares inside there. The corners all look like the edge of this book, a bit like an uppercase L. You're going to learn a lot about that in this unit. The sides have to be all the same length, you see, like the windows in this new hotel. If two sides were smaller and the other two taller, a rectangle is what you'll get. It's the shape of this doorway, this postcard from Norway, this screen, and a check and a wallet. It's a rectangle. Like a square, only wider, this billboard for cider is a rectangle in its shape. Like a square, only taller, so is this wall or the frame for this fine painted ape. So when you see shapes on the carpet or drapes, on your lunchbox or backpack or games, you'll know what to call every one, big or small, because you'll know each of their names. I know you will. I know we know triangle, rectangle, square, circle, oval. I think in this unit, you're going to be excited to see that you're going to learn about something called right angles. You're going to learn about the corners. You're going to be talking about all the different sides that each shape has. And I think you might learn a couple new names for shapes, not just triangle, rectangle, square, circle, oval. Either way, I know you're going to have fun. Good luck, students.